Hey guys, check out this 3-level adjustable phone microscope here from Apexel. All right, it comes with this user manual, and here's the unit itself. Has the cord, cleaning cloth, and product carrying case. I haven't used one of these before, so I'm excited to check it out. And here's where I charged it up for a little bit, and you have an adjuster right here too after it clamps on your phone, and you can see what magnification levels it is too. First, I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on. Press that button right there. And I got a light. Let's see what happens when I click the mode button here. Okay, I got different lighting levels. That's cool. That's off. Full light, partial. I'm going to go ahead and put this right over the phone. Just like that. And you can just tighten it right here. All right, here it is with the phone. You can do it this way or this way. This is a wood stove pellet, so it's basically compressed wood, but I like to look at it under the microscope. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, turn my light on. All right, there's the wood stove pellet. And now I'm going to go ahead and adjust right here. There we go, get a little bit closer maybe. Oh yeah. I can get really close. Look, I can see all the little wood grains in there. Look at the level of detail that you can see with this. I love it. This is a cool little tool. There's that. Let's take a look at the end of it. See all them little wood grains in there? Look at that. This would be great for looking at fossils and things like that, plants. Okay, next let's have a look at this grub here. This little mealworm. See, it's about the width of 2 of my fingers, so pretty small. And up close look at that grub. You can see the little hairs on it even. That's pretty cool. These are actually used for chicken feed, so this is a dried mealworm. All right, absolutely happy with this microscope here. It's super lightweight too, but I love that you can look at all the different stuff with this. Just clip it onto your phone and look up close at whatever you want to, and then just put it right back in the case here when you're done. Very happy with this. Can't wait to look at some more stuff with it. Thanks for watching, everybody.